Everybody, JoPaddy here, and today I want to show you how I paint the black sands of a beach in Bali with a gorgeous sunset. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you try. Let's get started, everybody. Pardon the interruption, everybody, but if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, because it's free to do so, and give it a like. And I thank you for watching. Okay, a quick update, everybody. When I put the Arteza Violet on, it dried really dark. So I splashed a little water on there too to try to get it to look the way it does. So it wouldn't be all real cloudy, because it was like all you could see was the purple. You couldn't see any pink or orange or anything through there. So I kind of just watered it down and did it again. But then it dried so dark that I ended up putting my Liquitex ink of Deep Violet on there, because that is lighter. And I wanted a violet on here, but the Arteza Violet is darker because the ink is more transparent. So I went in there and I dabbed some ink on there and mixed it around a little bit. I didn't have to add any water to it because it was already very thin and movable. And that's what I did there. And then now I'm getting ready to tape off the top and bottom right there so I can get a perfect straight horizon line. And I'm going to do that in Payne's Gray. And now I just got my Mod Podge out of the dryer. I got a matte because I want the sand to be a matte color and not very shiny. And also I did sprinkle, and I didn't mention this before, but I did sprinkle some black glitter into the sand because I want it matte, but I want the glitter to sparkle just a little bit. But I have to put this matte Mod Podge on, or anybody, if you do this, you can spray paint it or whatever, but you got to seal it somehow. So the glue isn't good enough, because the glue could get warm and melt and come back to life, or if you get the painting wet again in the future, it'll come back to life and all that sand will just start dripping off, because that's what happened to me. When I went to take my toothbrush and my foot powder to clean the dimethicone off of here, oh so carefully, I got it a little more wet than I wanted to, and some of the sand peeled off and fell out. So that's a little tip for you guys. And I might as well just mention it now, so because you guys might ask a bunch of questions in the comments, so I might as well tell you now. The Mod Podge was in the dryer because it was out in the garage. And what you do is, I don't like to put my stuff in hot water or whatever. I'm always afraid it's going to tip over and water's going to seep through the lid or whatever, and I don't want water in some of my paints. So what I do is I turn the dryer on first, and I let it get warm. Then I turn the dryer off, and then I stick my paint can or my spray paint can or whatever it is, or my, other paints sideways down on one of the lips in the dryer, and I leave it in there for about 5 or 10 minutes. And now it's room temperature. All right, everybody, on to the final touches. And then we're going to see the very ending of this. Everyone, it's dry and up on the wall. I have not put a finish on it yet. And I'm thinking about maybe putting resin on it or whatever, but turned out pretty good. Sorry I don't have any better lighting. But I think it turned out really nice. So my little birdies up there. I wasn't real happy with the the dark blue ocean part. So I did some tweaking there, and I made horizon line a little bit wider. Let me turn the flash off and see if it looks any better. Okay, here we go. That's without the flash. I take it outside and get a better picture for you guys, but it's so cold out there and rainy. See if I can, it's a flat black, see if I can pick up a few of those sparkles I put in there. I'm not 100% happy with it, but I'm happy with it. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Arrivederci, everybody. And we'll see you again soon back in the studio. Bye-bye, birdie.